About big data, you can see from the diagram, right? Like from the if you are from a computer background, you will be knowing, right? 1 byte equal to 8 bits. A smallest unit will be bit. Okay, 8 bits makes 1 byte. The largest unit you can see from that bubble is a 𝗕𝗁𝗃𝗃 we used to call 10 to the power of 33 bytes. Okay, that is the highest volume of data big data can process it. Okay, say for example, right, you have a small, medium, large organization. Based upon the requirement, they will use to process this much of data. Normally it will be in TB and petabyte of data while processing big data. Okay, and from the right hand side you can see, right, most of the data in the today's market, right, 60 to 75 70% of the data comes from social media. Okay, you can see the Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, Google Plus, okay, Pinterest, okay, now WhatsApp and other uh, uh, things are there, so that we are receiving more data in terms of SMS, video, audio, okay, and different satellite imaginaries also will be getting the data. Okay, everything is a data, right? Like big, previously it was data, now it we used to call that data as a big data, and we try to process it in the cluster of nodes. We used to call 5 V's of big data. Okay, where you will be having volume. Volume is nothing but amount of data from myriad sources, a different homogeneous or homogeneous data that is coming from different sources. Okay, that tries to process the data. Once you pump the data into data lake and then try to process it. Okay, velocity. Velocity in the sense, these are the characteristics of big data. Okay, velocity is the speed at which big data is generated. Normally, right, it will be batch, excuse me, batch or real-time streaming or near real-time or streaming data. Okay, we keep on pumping the data to the big data lake, we used to call it. Okay, that's how much speed it will be taken. Like it might be a 1 hour data, or seconds or milliseconds or nanoseconds. It tries to pump the data to the cluster or data lake. Okay, velocity is nothing but speed at which at rate of speed the data will be received. Okay, variety may be different types of varieties are there. One is structure, semi-structure and unstructured data. Structure is something like RDBMS data. Normally you will be seeing the RDBMS data, right? If you are familiar with Oracle or MySQL. Okay, the RDBM data is a relational database management data. It's a structured data where you have rows and columns. Okay, organized as rows and columns. Okay, and semi-structure is something like XML data. Okay, or HTML data. Unstructured is something like fat file with headers, without headers, or videos, audios, images, that will be considered as unstructured data. Okay, these type of data, okay, whatever volume, velocity, variety, and veracity is another characteristics of big data, is a degree to which big data can be trusted, how much it can be trusted. Okay, say for example, right, like all the data we can't able to consider for processing. Okay, we need to know, right, it's a trusted data or not. Okay, that comes, here comes the veracity. Okay, where you are giving a campaign where in that time, right, like it has to span for 3 days. Okay, in Monday to Wednesday, but you are hosted the campaign on Friday. Okay, Friday, Saturday and Sunday, then most of the employees will be leave. Okay, so you are providing some gift, okay, whoever attend the campaign, so that they can attend it. Okay, for the sake of gift they are attending it. Okay, we can't trust this data, right, because that the campaign has to span from Monday to Wednesday, but due to some issues they are hosting the campaign on Friday evening. Friday and Sunday, Saturday and Sunday, 3 days. But we can't trust this data because of gift. They are putting a campaign. Okay, okay, and attending the campaign so that they can get the gift. That's nothing but veracity. Okay, it's the trustable data or not. Okay, based on all these things characteristics, finally comes the value. Okay, all 4V equal to value. Okay, the business value of data collected. Okay, how much this data is valued, okay, in terms of performance or business insights, they will be taking from this characteristics. That's called 5 V's of big data.